Officials can't stop typhoon from hitting their locality. They can make sure people have something warm in their tummy. This is exactly what Governor Chiz Escudero did as Typhoon Ulysses hit Sorsogon. The mobile kitchen served arroz caldo to stranded passengers and truckers. Another soup kitchen was set up in evacuation centers, particularly in Donsol and in Pilar, the two municipalities badly affected by Ulysses. A day after the storm, the governor reports.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.